Ditch the overpriced marketing agencies, online courses, and expensive equipment. Making money online has never been more accessible. You don't need to invest a dime, just a phone or a laptop will do. In this video, we're cutting through all the fluff and breaking down real, effective methods that people, including myself, have used to start earning online from nothing. Earning money online sounds like a dream, right? Being your own boss, working from anywhere, and setting your own hours. That's the goal. But before diving into these methods, it's important to have realistic expectations. There are no shortcuts to overnight success. Just like learning a skill or growing a YouTube channel, making money online requires dedication, consistency, and the right approach. The good news? We're here to make it easier for you. There are countless legitimate online opportunities that can help you earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars a week, even in your first month. And the best part? You don't need any upfront investment. If you have access to the internet, you're ready to get started. One of the easiest ways to break into online income is by offering freelance services for content creators, like designing thumbnails or editing videos. Every YouTuber relies on eye-catching thumbnails to boost their video views, and many are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality designs. If you can create professional thumbnails at a lower price than your competitors, you'll attract more clients. For instance, if someone on Fiverr charges $200 for a single thumbnail and you offer the same quality for $100, you can easily secure more customers. Not sure how to design thumbnails? No problem. YouTube is packed with free tutorials that teach you how to create them on various devices using different tools, both free and paid. If you're looking to make your first $100 quickly, start by learning this skill. It might take a week to get the hang of it, but once you do, you're good to go. Many successful freelancers began with nothing more than a smartphone, so there's no excuse. Another profitable skill is video editing. It requires more time and effort than designing thumbnails, but it's incredibly lucrative. A 10-minute video can take around 2 to 3 hours to edit, while a 20-minute video might require 4 to 6 hours. Despite the effort, video editing pays well. Some freelancers charge $500 for editing a 10-minute video. If you can match that quality for $200, you'll attract clients looking for high-quality work at a lower rate. Whether you're already familiar with editing or eager to learn, this is a great money-making opportunity. If you're looking for a simpler way to earn online, short-form content creation is another great option. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok have made it easier than ever to build an audience. Many people have grown their accounts simply by reposting trending content from other creators. By finding viral TikTok clips, downloading them watermark-free, and re-uploading them as Instagram Reels, you can quickly grow a following. Since Instagram's algorithm works similarly to TikTok and YouTube Shorts, videos that keep viewers engaged will be recommended to more users. Just make sure to credit the original creator to avoid copyright issues. This method is easy, completely free, and requires nothing more than a phone. Many Instagram accounts with hundreds of thousands of followers were built this way, and as your page grows, brands will start paying you to promote their content. Content creation is one of the most powerful income streams in 2024. The larger your audience, the more valuable you become. Brands are constantly searching for influencers to market their products, and even massive creators like Mr. Beast started with nothing but a phone. Many viral content creators built their entire careers by filming and uploading videos with basic equipment. The key is to figure out what makes you stand out and leverage it. If you have a laptop and the time to learn, creating thumbnails and editing videos are some of the fastest ways to start earning. These skills allow you to get paid as soon as you complete a project. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with clients right away. If you only have a phone, growing an Instagram page by reposting viral clips and selling promotions is a great alternative. While many people ignore this strategy, it has huge potential for passive income. The key to success is starting small and staying focused. If you attempt to juggle multiple methods at once, thumbnails, video editing, Instagram growth, you'll likely get overwhelmed. Master one skill at a time, and once you've built momentum, explore other opportunities. At the same time, watch out for scams. If someone is pushing stock trading or options trading as a way to make quick cash, be skeptical. Many influencers promote trading platforms that profit from users losing money. Likewise, if someone is selling a course on building a social media marketing agency, chances are it's a scam. Everything you need to know is already available for free on YouTube from experienced entrepreneurs. Success stories prove that these methods work. For example, my friend started designing thumbnails just 3 months ago using nothing but his iPhone. Over time, he saved up for a budget laptop, and now he earns anywhere from $50 to $1,000 per thumbnail. He gets multiple orders every day, showing that with consistency and skill building, real results are possible. The biggest mistake people make is not setting financial goals and giving up too soon. You need to define how much you want to earn per day, week, and month. This helps you choose the right method and stay motivated. Many people quit before they see results, but online success takes time. Some of the biggest YouTubers spent years growing their channels before making serious money. If you're expecting instant results, this might not be the right path for you. Making money online requires patience, learning, and dedication. If you're looking for a supportive community of young entrepreneurs, make sure to subscribe to this channel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.